In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Afghanistan Ministry of Foreign Affairs reject Pakistan's claim of 6 phone calls to the Foreign Minister of Pakistan in one day. A national airline to transport 1 kilogram of export goods for $1. And at least 20 people killed or injured in a plane crash in the United States. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 14th of Jamadi al-Awwal, 1447, the 14th of Arab, 1404, and the 5th of November, 2025. The news details: the Minister of Foreign Affairs has refuted the recent remarks made by the Pakistan's Foreign Minister, who claimed that Maulvi Amir Khan Muttaqi, his team minister, had contacted him 6 times in a single day. The minister stated that phone calls between the two officials took place within the framework of mutual understanding and coordination. During the call, Ishaq Dar expressed a lack of full information about the situation and said he would return the call once fully briefed. The second call therefore followed accordingly. The ministry added that a day after this exchange, Pakistan's foreign minister once again attempted to establish contact, but the call didn't go through for various reasons. The Afghan foreign ministry emphasized that the foundation of relations between countries rests on mutual respect and engagement based on facts, noting that such inaccurate statements contradict the spirit of diplomatic courtesy and mutual respect between the two nations. The ministry further expressed hope that the senior Pakistani officials will ensure accuracy when making public statements. In another development, during the meeting on the export of Afghan goods via air cargo, Ariana Afghan Airlines was instructed to transport each kilogram of export goods at a rate of $1 and import goods at 80 cents per kilogram. The meeting also directed the Ministers of Finance and Transport and Civil Aviation to grant Ariana Afghan Airlines a 90% discount on their respective service fees. Ariana was further instructed to purchase a cargo aircraft as soon as possible. The session was chaired by Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar Wakhan, the Deputy Prime Minister for Economic Affairs, and attended by the relevant officials from the concerned ministries and departments. The news continuation. The National Statistics and Information Authority (NCR) reported that 4.54 million metric tons of wheat have been harvested across the country during the current solar year. Of this amount, 4.13 million metric tons came from irrigated farmlands, while 404,000 metric tons were harvested from the rain-fed areas. And finally, Reuters report that at least 7 people were killed and 11 other injured in a cargo plane crash in the U.S. state of Kentucky. Based on the report, the aircraft crashed shortly after takeoff, causing a massive fire. Kentucky state officials said the number of casualties could rise as rescue operations continue. We have reached the end of our news program. Further informative materials are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.